I'm now on my way to the city of lakes, which is Lucerne, and more importantly, I'm going to Lucerne in Swiss Rail, and there's no way I'm missing the woods for the trees.
Yes, I am in love. The Swiss Pass gives me access to unlimited travel and I choose the mode I love the most. With my insatiable appetite for natural beauty, I am living my own dream.
Lucerne, the city of lakes, is the 5th biggest city in the country, and the Bay of Lucerne is the most historic part of the country, as Switzerland was founded on a certain part of this lake.
Lake Lucerne is the 4th largest lake in Switzerland and abundant in scenic variety. If you have the time, I would highly recommend a boat ride followed by a hike in the Alps. Going around this massive body of water takes you through twisted roads and long tunnels, but definitely makes for a visual delight. A number of hotels and resorts exploit the scenic offerings of this lake that connects the city to the mountains.
The old town of Lucerne is historic not just because of the historic part of the city it is in, but also because of its architectural splendor.
The museums, theatres and festivals have all contributed to establishing Lucerne as a city which elegantly accommodates both culture and trend. Strolling down the streets that feed the city's airy squares, window shopping is an exquisite delight. The Chapel Bridge, constructed in 1333, was designed to help protect the city of Lucerne from attacks. I am walking through history as I make my way across the oldest wooden covered bridge in Europe.
Now that is the end of my vacation, and what an extraordinary vacation it has been. I'm so OD'd on chocolates that I may have to check into a chocolate addict rehab.
But I have so savoured every phase of the addiction, and here's how it all started. I booked my travel on SwissTourOnline.com and zeroed in on a package that packs in maximum punch in my short stay. Luxury and privacy is my thing, so in addition to a hotel with a view, I decided to indulge in a private apartment. The Swiss Pass offers unlimited in-country travel options that cater to the likes of me who want flexibility when they travel. And traveling in style is my style, so it had to be the business class of Swiss International Airlines. A little champagne, some good food, and 8 hours later, I arrived in Zurich.
So I've just landed in Zurich, and there's just one more thing I have to do before I start my trip.
I head straight for the Swiss Tours counter at the Zurich International Airport, where I exchange my Swiss service order for a Swiss Tours Pass, an all-purpose pass for unlimited trips by trains and trams, and thus started my journey to the Alps. The hours melted into days, and before I realized, I'm back at Zurich Airport to catch my flight back home.
There are two things, however, that I'm taking back from this country. There's cheer and romance in the air everywhere.
The streets are abuzz with frolic and gaiety. And nature here is at its mesmerizing best. It is beauty with almost a natural precision. And talking about precision, value for time is almost a religion in Switzerland. Almost to the level of obsession. A second's delay and you run the risk of missing the bus. Quite literally.
Well, with that thought, I'm on my way back home.